I hate hippies. Now, I don't hate them for their lifestyle. I don't hate them because of their recreational drug use. I don't care about any of that. I don't care that we may think differently about life. But make no mistake, I hate hippies. And hippies are harder to identify these days. In the 60s and 70s, hippies stood out. They're a lot sneakier. They're a lot harder to identify. If you look around your office, you may not even know they're there. But make no mistake, I hate hippies. I hate hippies not because of their lifestyle, not because of the choices. I hate hippies because they're stupid. Now, why are they stupid? Okay, if you hear an individual start talking nonsensically about the evils of Wall Street, or corporations are bad, or did you know that governments sometimes do things that maybe aren't in the best interest of their citizens? Hippies will start ranting about these things. Well, no freaking crap. Tell me some other things I don't know. Is the sky blue? Is water wet? Does Taylor Swift lament and have emotional issues about rejection and then sing about it incessantly in her songs? Taylor Swift. Ugh. The answer to all of these things is obvious. And yet Taylor Swift is better than 1,000 hippies. At least what Taylor Swift could do is better than 1,000 hippies. All hippies do, the modern incarnation of the hippie, is complain. They lament. They lament about the structures in place in society. Corporations, governments, economic systems, the market. Things that are not inherently good or bad. But hippies will complain and point how they're evil. Like this is some objective criteria that can even be met. Wall Street is bad. How is Wall Street bad? How is making money bad? Money by itself is simply an instrument. What you do with it or don't do with it, how you use this instrument, that action could be categorized as good or bad, but money is just an instrument, and it's a powerful instrument. Taylor Swift, because she has money, because she has wealth, is better than all of the whining, complaining hippies of the world. Now, I don't know what Taylor Swift does with her money. And yes, Taylor, hater gonna hate, hate, hate. And I apologize for that. She may do altruistic things. She may do nothing. She may do coke lines in the bathroom for all I know. I have no evidence of this. I'm just saying to try to point out the broad range of things she could or could not do. But she has money. So what she could do is she could enact change. She could help fund a homeless shelter. She could create a shelter for pets. She could do any numerous things that the most of us would deem as good acts. But because she has money, she has these options. What do hippies have other than this simplistic, basic rhetoric of markets being bad, corporations being bad, governments do things that are sometimes shady? Wow. News at 11, brought to you here on Investing Talk Live. Hippies need to get on board with the market train that is engulfing the world. Markets have started to unite the world in a way never before seen. Do you think countries that have free and open markets have any interest in going to war with one another? Markets are an amazing thing. Yes, are there good and bad aspects about government, corporation? Of course there are. But stop complaining. Stop being a hater, hippies. Make some money if you want to enact the changes that you want to see in society. Any one of us can only do things on a small scale. Sometimes it's hard to move the mountain, but we can enact change. Making money, making this instrument we call money, through Forex or the stock market or real estate or whatever your investment means, can allow you to enact the change that the hippies will complain and cry about. I hate hippies. They just need to shake it off. Shake it off. I apologize for that, but I'm not going to edit it. That song's actually kind of catchy, Taylor.